Hey, what's up, my friends? So, you know what? Today is a special day, and I'd like to show you why. I don't know if you remember this from days past, but it is that thing. Oh, do you remember that? I managed to squeeze it in to my little pouring area, or my little art area, which has re-become a pouring area, because now I have 18 shelves, 6 square feet a shelf. I have 108 square feet, or 106, 108 square feet of drawing space again. I'm really excited about that. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, let's get right into the art. It's going to be awesome. So let's switch that back over to the art cam right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. So far, I've set it up, and I've put a 50-50 mix of Elmer's glue wall and Floetrol in each one of these. And so this one has the most. I want the most coral in my thingamajigger. So I'm going to come over here and pour equal parts. This is all pre-shaken, pre-stirred. Oh, isn't this color awesome? Look at that. Oh, it's so rich and just fantastically, aggressively blue. I love it. And so these, what I'm using is the Bear Premium Plus. No. That's what I usually use. This time I'm using the Marquee brand. All right. Got some of that. It's a halftone of this salamander. Oh man, I have Isn't She Lovely stuck in my head right now. You know, worse things could be stuck in one's head. Do you want me to sing it for you? I'd totally sing it for you. I'm not going to sing it for you. I'd be so embarrassed. Like, oh my god. All right, so I'm just giving that a little mix through. Now, so I watched this really good documentary, and there was a Mexican muralist. Guy was from Mexico. I can't remember his name, but if you look up Mexican muralist, it's all about how he discovered how the paints do this thing that we do. It's what he originally did was he took swipes and he would put black over white, and he would notice how sometimes the black would sink, or I think the white would. Anyway, I don't remember. I guess it all depends on his colors, but one of his colors would sink and it would come up with those really cool cells that we all like lust for. And stirring up our lagoon rock. All right. So this is our white down first. I'm going to save a little bit of white for a minute. I'm going to layer it in somewhere else. I'm going to put a contrasting color. I'm going to do two. Let's do two go-throughs here. And then a contrasting color to the contrasting color. Then a contrasting color to the contrasting color. And I'm not going to say it again, I promise. I'm probably going to say it again. Oh no, that's not the one I meant to put in. Oh well, doesn't matter. It'll be fine. Get the rest of that blue up in there. I know I've got too much. I'm still at the point where I'm coming back and I feel a little rusty and more than a little nervous for sure. I know that's weird to say, but it's true. I'm a little bit nervous. Coming back and pouring after so long, so got my white in. Let's get this light green right on top of that light blue. And coral. It's actually called watermelon slice. If you want it, it's Bear Marquee watermelon slice. Okay, that's enough watermelon slice. And then, last but very not least, Paradise Landscape. All right, here we go. We got plenty. Did I get my last of my white in there? Sure did. All right, here we go, guys. Ha! I love it. This is so much fun to flip it over like that. Okay. Okay, are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, that's a lot of green. That's a lot of green. I want less green. Hey, stop it. There we go. Isn't she lovely? Sorry. Said I wasn't going to sing and I totally did it anyway. I lied to you, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, good. Oh, I'm gonna have to get my corner catchers out. Over here on this leading edge, I've noticed that if you, all this stuff's gonna pour over anyway, so it's not really gonna matter that much. And I've got a lot of paint on here, so it can, I hate to waste, but if you gotta waste, might as well be a good waste. That's going to be stunning right there when I hit it with a torch again. And I am getting covered with paint, and it's wonderful. Recording, bud. Can you text it to me? Sorry, my brother-in-law's going somewhere. Ah! My wife would karate kick me in the neck if she knew I was painting in some of my decent jeans. They're not good jeans, they're just decent. Okay. Let it sit, let it do its thing a little bit. Now we're getting these spots of coral. Oops. Isn't she lovely? I've got all kinds of room to do acrylic pouring now, so I'm going to do more acrylic pouring. I'm pretty much done with watercolor. Okay, so let me get you down. I think that's my favorite right there. Okay, guys, again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. You guys are literally the best, and I know I say that every week, but you really are important. I appreciate you. Would you do something for me? I'm trying to get back into this swing, and I want the pouring acrylic community to know that I'm back at pouring acrylic. And so would you like this up, comment, share, whatever you want to do? That would be wonderful. You would help a brother out, and I would sincerely appreciate it. And other than that, that's it. I will see you again tomorrow with another acrylic pouring video. Will Black, peace out.